Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be talking about Labubus today because I ordered 2 of them from PopMart and I will be unboxing them. Right here is footage of me finding my first Labubu back when they were getting popular. It was at a Pokemon card convention and it was like a surprise to see, I guess. At the time at least, because they were really hard to get online obviously, so I was very excited. I was able to get mine back then for $35 and I ended up getting Dada, which I was very happy about. But yeah, I was able to snag 2 from PopMart and this is me opening them today and I hope I get the ones that I want. I also want to shout out my friend Sarah. She loves Labubus and she got me into collecting them as well. I really only paid resale price that one time for my first Labubu, and she literally helped me get every other Labubu that I have from either the PopMart website, PopMart TikTok, and PopNow. And she is the queen at getting them. So thank you, Sarah. Thank you for saving me from paying buttloads of money. Yeah, so the ones I really want obviously are lychee berry and sea salt coconut because pink and blue are my favorite colors, and I already have green grape, so I'm really looking forward to those 2. And this is like the first time I'm getting one with a new packaging, with a new bag, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's super cute, and I could not untie the knot to save the life of me, so I had my boyfriend help. After that struggle, let's get into it.
Oh, it's the white one.
So I unfortunately got soy milk, which is not the one I wanted, but still not one that I had. So yeah, I can't complain too much, but the head was a bit wobbly than I expected, and his face was also kind of crooked. So I don't know, just seeing it right off the bat and it not being the color that I wanted, I was a little bit upset. But you know what? He's still cute. She's still cute. I think they're girls, right? Yeah, so on to the next one. Again, trying to get lychee berry or sea salt coconut. And hopefully this knot won't be as difficult as the last one. Dun, 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 dun.
No.
No!
No way.
No! Oh my god, look at his forehead. So overall, I was pretty unhappy with my Labubus. I feel a little ungrateful. I'm sorry for even saying that, but like, yeah, the quality just kind of went downhill, I've noticed. His forehead is huge, it's also crooked, so I'm not sure if I can do much there to fix it or like fluff it up really. But we're gonna give it a try anyways. And looking at them side by side, they're kind of just like too different from each other. So I think the consistency is a little not there. And here I am trying to like move it so that it does look normal. But on the other hand, if it was my first Labubu, I think it would still be pretty cute. So this is my green grape that I had a few months ago. I got it from a PopNow, and this is Toffee, also from a PopNow. And yeah, so comparing the two green grapes, I just think they're a little bit different where the face is placed, definitely. And it looks like the new one's wearing like a little hoodie or something. And yeah, like it's still cute, but it is like the color that I already had, so what can you do? So these are the Labubus from August this year, the new ones that I got. And I also wanted to point out that this Labubu even had a smudge on the stamp, which I was also kind of like not happy about. So yeah, like I just feel like the quality has gone down a little bit since they first came out, obviously. And even the legs on my previous Labubus, like one leg was way longer than the other one. So just noticing like small details. Of course, like they all can't be perfect, but for the amount of money that we're paying for these, I feel like they should be a little more like at the quality that you would expect. And here are all the Labubus I have so far. Dada's on the left, which is the first one I ever got. Soy Milk is now hanging up with her buddies. And I also got the green Big Into Energy, courtesy of my friend Sarah. Thank you so much. And I also got a Lafufu from my roommate. And I painted its nose blue. It constantly stares me down every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys.